is beyond shameful that we have witnessed the NPA, the SABC, the state security fail to take the war against corruption seriously.
Ihlanganisela yama-unioni ikhosathu ebeyisingethe umnyanya omkhulu welanga labasebenzi ithi urhulumente kufuze ayivulela amehlo khudlwana indaba yabasebenzi.
Andisebenzi minyaka more than 20 years.
Mama Masuleka icancer wayesokola naye engaphangeli nami ndiyasokola nangoku andikafumani into ibheka phambili.
Kanti abantu abangasebenziko bathi sebafole badiniwe kibo ilanga lanamhlanje liyafana nje namanye amalanga alo baligidinge njani balambile.
Season, this is a good run from Damons. Now needs a good touch. He's away. He's got a chance. Kudet saves. Damons with a follow-up. Swallows are in the lead.
Kezemidlalo ubutshontshwana bungayilalisa phasi indlovu njengoba neSwallows iguqise iChiefs ku-PSL ngemva kwamadina nje. Kulilanga elikhulu labasebenzi singena siyalochisa begodu siyakwamkela lapho khona lotshani. Ilanga labasebenzi lilanga elithwaya qobe mnyaka ngomhla ka1 kuMrhayili lathoma ukuthwaya emakhethweni wokuthoma wedemocracy ngo1994. Ihlanganisela yama-union ikhosathu ibambe ongomkhulu umnyanya wokuthwaya ilanga labasebenzi ababhubha ngo2003. Ngalo ilanga eli abasebenzi beTlhagwini Kapa babesendleleni eya eralini yabasebenzi eQwaqa mhlazana ibhesi yabo izakuwela ngedamini iSol Plaatje ngaphandle kweBethlehem eFree State. Umengameli wekhosathu uZingiswalosi nguye owethule ikulumo yelanga kanti umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa wethule umlayezo wokusekela.
Baphume ngobunengi abantu bakhumbula isehlakalo esiba ngamathluwo esenzeka eFree State. Unobhala zombelelo SABC uSoli Mapayila uthi abasebenzi benarhale abatshejwa begodi basebenza ngaphasi kobujamo obungasibuhle. Uthi namhlanje abasebenzi baphethwe barholi abazicabangela bodwa begodi ababekelele phambili ukuzuza imali.
Today the capitalist bosses continue to oppress workers in various workplaces, and they continue to make sure that workers' wages are suppressed and workers' livelihoods are suppressed. And therefore, it is critical that the democratic movement, led by the democratic government, must strengthen the capacity to protect workers' rights.
Uthe ngemva kwalapho umengameli we-ANC ongumengameli welizwe uCyril Ramaphosa wathoma ikulumo yakhe ngokukhumbula abasebenzi abama-51 ababhubhako ngo-2003. Uthe bazokuhlala bakhunjulwa ngendima abayilimako. Uthi abasebenzi bahlala balwela amaqiniso nokusebenza okungcono.
Workers in our country and across the world have fought over many years for the right to gather, to celebrate the achievement that they have won over many years of working together. And in our country, it has been real good that we have worked together as an alliance. The ANC, the SACP, and COSATU.
Kuthe ngemva kwalapho wakhwela umengameli wekhosathu uZingiswalosi okhwele wazehlela phezulu kohulumende okhona bona abantu badosa nzima kakhulu ngendengo eziphezulu zokuphila.
Comrades, it is not acceptable that when government is struggling to pay its employees an inflation-linked increase, a 3.8% increase is recommended for the executive. It is beyond shameful that we have witnessed the NPA, the SABC, the state security, and other law enforcement agents fail to take the war against corruption seriously.
Basebenzi nabo balila kangako bona izinto ziyakhuphuka zona kodwa imiholo yona solo ijamile ndawonye.
The salary is being increased, but we don't see that because each and every day, like only is being increased also. So we don't see when they increase the money because obviously that money goes to grocery, all of it.
Nakusenjalo iNUMSA ihlabe kumbi ukukhula komtlhago ungalingani nongasebenzi kwabantu. iNUMSA ithi ngemva kweminyaka ema-20 ANC iphethe kudaleke ungalingani emphakathini.
Isekela likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uqinisekise abasebenzi ukuthi ikomiti enkulu ye-ANC iqalene nendaba yabantu abasasebenzako. uMashatile wethule umlayezwe embuthaneni wekhosathu eSaltsville ePitori. I-ANC ihlanganyele nezinye inhlangano zepolitiki elizweni lonke ukukhumbula ilanga labasebenzi.
Abasebenzi bengungelene eSaltsville Arena eGauteng beve okokuba iNEC ye-ANC kwinhlanganiso yayo yokugqibela indulule okokubana makubekho uthethathethwano oluthe gabalala phakathi kwe-SABC nekhosatu uqinisekisa okokuba abasebenzi banobomi obungcono eMzantsi Afrika.
We are promising you that decision to look at the challenges that the workers are facing is not going to be an empty promise. I don't want you to say Comrade Paul is making promises because he wants us to vote in 2024. No, I'm making the promise that we are going to address the challenges that the workers are facing because we want the workers to have a better life.
Kaloku usuku labasebenzi lubhiyozelwa iminyaka le susela ngo-1994 kweli lizwe. Neqela eliphikisayo ke iDA ithi kunize kusafuneka kwenziwe ukubhiyozela lolu suku de kuqoqolasela abantu abapha ku-12 million abangenawo umsebenzi kweli.
How can we possibly celebrate when youth unemployment stands at 56%? And how can we celebrate when workers can buy less and less with their wages because food prices have gone up by 14% and electricity prices by 19% in this past year?
Nayo EFF iphoses vivaneni ngelithi kule minyaka ilishumi isedla amazimba yona kufuneka uqinisekisa ukubana abasebenzi bayanakekelwa.
We are celebrating 10 years of unbroken struggle for the unity of workers. This is in line with the Communist Manifesto that states, workers of the world unite, you have nothing to lose but your chains.
Necope iyangqina ngelithi kusekuninzi okufuneka kwenziwe.
Workers must unite. Workers can stop the bloodbath on retrenchments when they are united. The planned retrenchments at the post office must be condemned and must be stopped. All of us, including workers, must oppose any retrenchments because it is not in the best interest of the workers.
Kusenjalo ke iNational Freedom Party NFP ilumkise ngelithi kuba ngaba abasebenzi abatshintsha urhulumente osezintanjeni baya kuzalela endle ukufumana amaqithiqithi abawafaneleyo. NdinguAbongile Dumako kwiindaba ze-SABC ePitoli.
Kanti njengombana ilanga labasebenzi belikhunjulwa elizweni lonke akhe siqale ukuthi emfundeni ngemfunda kukhambe njani.
eMpumalanga bakhunjuliwe abasebenzi abathathu esolo badibiseka ngemguduni mine ilili mine eBhaptini eminyakeni elikhomba edluleko. Imndeni yabhujelwako ineminyaka emini kampe ngaphandle kwemine ithi ayikathabi.
They didn't tell us as the families about this thing. They are doing it at their own, but using our fellow brother and sisters who are still trapped underground. That thing does not sit well to us as the family.
Kanti unobhala zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula wenza isithembiso kibo.
We will ensure that in the next 3 months, one, business rescue wrap up its work, and then this mine is opened, and then the workers who are here in this mine are actually retrieved.
Abasebenzi bakwaMasmart nabo bathi baqothwa ngokulola imiholo engcono.
Akhombisa ukuthi vele abafuna ukuthi abanayo imali yosinika because bakhona ukhayarisha i-aeroplane ukuthi is-escorted.
Ikhosathi ithi kuza kufuneka zingalo intolo zale company. Kanti indaba yabasebenzi abadibiseka emgodini olili mine isesesekhotho nanje.
eTjingalanga Kapa inyoni yabasebenzi khosati khombele wonke amalungu ayo bona avikela amabhizinisi wombuso ekuthena lawulo ngeqadi. I-union le ihlanganyele nayihlangano ye-ANC, i-SACP kunye nehlangano yabafundisi asikho University eTjingalanga Kapa ukukhumbula ilangeli. Ingikhulumi izithena zidleganako zaphatha khulu indaba yamathuba omsebenzi athondelako, ubulelesi obuhagele ukukhohlakala, ukuqinilisa kwegezi kunye nokusetshenziswa kwendakamizwa. Ihlangano ye-SACP ithi kunefuneka erhabako yokuthoma ngobutsha inhlangano ezinesikhozi ne-ANC ukuze kurarululwe indaba yokungabhadeli ngefanelo abasebenzi. Ihlangano ye-ANC ithi kunamahlelo akhona atjheja ukurarulula imiraro efana nale.
Akusingi boboke abantu abagidinge ilanga labasebenzi kumnyaka lo Nelson Mandela Bay. Abanengi bahlanganyele ngenqhema balinde ukuthola amatohwana endaweni ezahlukahlukeneko kumasipalata lo. Bathi amalanga okuphumula bawezwa ngobatsho ngombana nakuyindlala yona yinto yaqobe malanga ayithathi malanga okuphumula. Isifunda sePumalanga Kapa sinezinga eliphezulu labantu abangasebenziko eSouth Africa. Kanti umasipalata lo ubufakazi balokho njengobana izinga labangasebenziko li 34.7%.
Qobe malanga uPatrick Waza uvuka nge-iri lesithandathu ekuseni eze lapha ngethemba lokubana uza kufumana itohwana. Uneminyaka e-20 angasebenzi umsebenzi onzinzileko, uzibambela amatohwana wokupenda nokulungisa amaphayiphi uhlangana nokhunye ukwenzela bona akhona ukulala adlile. Uthi nakathola itohwana linye ngeveke vana nethudu.
Andisebenzi minyaka more than 20 years. Ngamanye amaxesha ke ndiye ndifumane ijob ye-1 day evekini, ndingabe ndiphinde ndiyofumana kwenye mhlawumbi inyanga, so kuthanda uba nzima kakhulu.
uChristopher zakhe naye ubanjwe ngileso.
Kudala nsiza apha mama masweleka icancer wayesokola naye engaphangeli nami ndiyasokola nangoku andikafumana into ibheka phambili kanye i-right bomini kwazi uqhubeka ngayo bomini.
Abanye balila ngokuthi amaphandle abathathile umsebenzi abakholwa bona ngewabo bathi isizathu sokugidinga ilangeli abe asikho.
Usiya ifamily yakho ingenanto esuswini babe nehope xa ubuya emsebenzini apha ethini ngathi lethe uyadigcina ukutya akokutya.
Nanyana abantu abaningi bendawo lebabhalile bona amazizwe abafaka emoyeni kuyabonakala bona ithemba lona alisekho.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi ngokubona kwakho batshejwa ngefanelo na abasebenzi nokuthi wena lapho usebenza khona niphathwa njani nibasebenzi nakumbono uyalandela mbukeni.
Khona yonke ipheleleyo nabasebenzi bangaphandle basebenza enarheni ekhethu ababhadali ne-tax, so amalungelo abasebenzi bekhaya asacinezelwe khulu.
Namhlanje ilanga lokuthi abantu baphumule mara lapha emakhwishini lapha babhizi ngamawashini wamaholiday wamabhunu bebaphumile engiholidayini mhatsheni ilanga labo lokuphumula. Sesokhona labangaphatha abantu kahle kufana nabo lapha emakhwishini umama mugobile la khona mhathi.
Endaweni eziningi abasebenzi bayahlukumezeka, abanye abasebenzi abekho ngaphasi kwama-union.
Ilanga labasebenzi hayi ukuya ngama ngibone le-importance, at least ke nangabe ubereka kuhulumente ona ma-union ujoyina ama-union.
Into ekuyingikhalise kakhulu njengomsebenzi yilezi inyunyana esibuye siyijoyina. Yabona inyunyana ezinokudlala ngathi zidonsa imali nje kuphela, kodwa mase kufanele ziyophumela mawusesenkingeni asayingeni.
Mina isimo engisebenza ngaphansi kwaso isimo esamukelekile, indawo yakhona kuyasebenzela.
Umbono ngewembukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasibuya entolo.
Seo di sa kitikeng letsatsi la babereki because di bereka every day ka di public holidays.
Abasebenzi bemakhwitshini basavaleleke ngaphandle emalangeni afana nowabasebenzi ngombana bawezwa ngobatsho bahlala bagobile emsebenzini. Inyoni yabasebenzi bezindlini i-United Domestic Workers of South Africa ithi abomma abasebenza ezindlini kuncane khulu abakudingako. Inyoni ithi abasebenzi bamakhwitshi basachachazwa baqatshi babo abangafuni ukubaxolisa ku-UIF. Kuthi kunjalo nje bababhadele nemali encane.
Abasebenzi bezindlini ngabanye nabo abasaqatshwa kakhulu naphezulu kokuthi sibekiwe isilinganiso semholo wabo. Abanye baqatshwa ngokuphungulelwa amalanga okusebenza. Kuthi nakunjalo bese babhadelwa imali encane khulu. I-union yabo iwudosa ithi umnyango wezabasebenzi unesibopho sokuthi ulandelisise ukuthi imithetho ebekweko emalungana nesilinganiso sabasebenzi bezindlini iyalandelwa na.
As the world celebrates Workers' Day today, there are domestic workers who are not celebrating. Not so because they are working today, they were working on Freedom Day. They don't know the meaning of freedom and the meaning of Workers' Day. There are domestic workers who are still underpaid by employers, domestic workers who are not registered with the UIF. This is the 20th year since the UIF started in the sector on the 1st of April 2003, but many domestic workers remained unregistered.
Iindaba yabasebenzi bamakhwitshi abasaphatha kumbi isesemraro eSouth Africa.
Indleko zokuphila ziyaraga nokukhuphuka kanti kubasebenzi abaningi mancane amathuba okubana bangakhuthulelwa umholo nonyaka. Abasebenzi bathwele budisi njengentongo ejuguluka ephezulu kunye nemali nzalo ephezulu. Ngokuya kumbiko wemholo we-International Labour Organization's Global Report womnyaka u-2022 no-2023, ukukhuphuka kwendleko zokuphila kuthinta kumbi labo abahola imali encane namakhaya wabo.
Ukukhuphuka kwendleko zokuphila akusiyindeja. Abasebenzi abaningi ephasini lonke baqalane nobujamo ofana nalopho. Intengo ejuguluko yokudla ekhambisana nokukhuphuka kwemali nzalo kwenza izinto zibe budisi kulabo abasebenzako. Iningi labantu imali abo iphela bangahola. Abanye bagcina sebafaka isandla nakule ebulungiweko, kanti abanye baphila ngengikwelete.
If I'm a lower end worker, I'm at the lower end of the organization, I spend most of my money on food and transport.
Hlolo mboni Twitter SABC News sabuza abantu ukuthi bagcine nini ukukhuthulwa umholo. Nasemoyeni bese lebalikhulu nama-20 abantu abazibandakanya ekuphenduleni umbuzo. Abantu abamaphesentali 12 bathi bagcina ngomnyaka opheleleko. Abamaphesentali 13 bathi eminyakeni emibili edlulileko. Abamaphesentali 27 bathi eminyakeni emithathu ke emihlanu edlulileko. Kwathi abama-40 bagcina ukukhuthulwa umholo eminyakeni engaphezulu kwemihlanu.
The economy is not picking up as fast as it should, and we're really sort of struggling to get some good growth numbers in there, which makes it very difficult for companies to increase salaries by what they almost need to.
Ubusini uthi amakhampani ngokwawo angaphasi kokuganeleleko bekude abhalelwa kuhluma nokufumana abasesabatsha, ingakho kubabudisi bona bakhuphulela abasebenzi umholo. Nanyani ingomo solongaziwa nje uLady ukholele ekutheni imali nzalo seyikhuphuke khulu begodu nentengo ejuguluko nayo seyiphezulu, kanti lokho kuhlathulula bona izinto zizokubuyela ebujameni. Kanti nakusalinde bona izinto zilunge, abantu abasebenza kokufuze batsheje indlela abasebenzisa ngayo imali.
Nakusenjalo iSouth Africa igidingela ngalabasebenzi nje, kanti ukuhlela kwemisebenzi endaweni zemakhaya kwenza isichema sabantu bejikuyi ngaphandle kweTrigate eLimpopo ukuthi basebenzisa into ezenziwe ngobutsha ukuziphilisa. Iziphathu Green Tech DGT ibuthelela into ezilahlweko bese izijugulule zibe izinto ezinobhadekelo nezisebenzako godu. Iproject leseyiqasha abantu abaningi abatsha. Isitsho esithi silazo omunye umuntu umnotho omunye umuntu akhange sabaliqiniso. Iziphathu Green Tech yathunywa abantu abatsha ekhabe banganeliseki ngokuhlela kwemisebenzi. Endaweni emakhaya lezele ngabantu abagelagelako nokungabuthwa kwenzibi ngefanelo. Abantu abajaba babone kulithuba elihle lokuthi barorophe bazikhuphe kuleli daka bamotsa kilo. Bajokulula into ezilahlweko njengenchwarachwara nama-black wenselo, bakhiqiza ezinye izinto njengamalahle, iskontiri, intina nomanyoro. Bathi bakhuthazwe nalithando labo lokulonda imvelo.
The main reason why we started this project was to free the environment from the waste material like plastics and biomass waste. Those are the plastics or the waste that cannot be effectively recycled.
iproject le ithengisela imikhiqizo yayo abantu imakethe zendawo kunye nengikhampani zokwakha iningi labantu abasha abaqashwe la bathi iproject le ichugulula impilo yabo.
The community is going to benefit a lot and the world as a whole because it is focusing much on environment, which is the crisis all over the globe.
Umtawu ukhuthaza abantu abasha bona beze nendlela zokuzivulela amathuba wemisebenzi.
Akhe sithi sesikhamba nje simchiye nenithombe zembuthano yokuthwaya ilanga labasebenzi ngemva kwalokho ubujamo bezulu lisale nokuthula.
Sithokozile Cedric ebusuku namhlanje siyabona ukuthi nokho ke mimoya nje egijimako bekudeli kubuze sengamafa endaweni eziningi kanti ke na ulicala khona lapha kubo Mahiking mfetezana nje kwaphela yezulu 30% mamathuba wezulu ngapho asiliqale kusasa ukuthi lizakurekela phambili njani siyabona ukuthi nangapha ngekapa lizabe livalile kusasa likhamba lithi pharaphara ngamafu kanti mfetezana leya izakurekela khona phambili na khona ngapha ngeGauteng boPitori ngapho lizakuvuka linekunge kuseni sihlokomele khulu amambala nakezinye indawo ezikhona ngapha ngeMpumalanga sihlokomele khulu amambala sikathomi isilahlendo esisaka ngabana kungatsha amadlelo nani khona ngapha ku Bloemfontein ngakuleso isifunda kanti ke amazinga okuchisa siyabona ukuthi na khona ngapha ngeGauteng nokho ke kusasa lizakujama lapha uyabona ukuthi na useBrothweni obukhulu uliqale nakhona ngapha kubo Johannesburg nakhona ngapha ngeSprings 25 na uvakatshela ngapha kuma Milori boSochanguve ngapho kuhle khulu amambala nani vakatshela lesi sifunda siqalile impuphu phezulu lapha eMusina wehle kabuthaka uliqale khona ngapha ngeThoyando ePulukwane ngedzanini ngapho ngalengeliphalala siliqale ngeDryini ngikosini ngapho eJerusalem ngemtsibhiri ngapho kuhle khulu kwamambala nivakatshela ngapho eMahukubujwana ngapho kumnandi khulu kwamambala nivakatshela lesi sifunda siqale khona ngapho ngawaZulu-Natal lapha esikhukhu zeMpumalanga eMbombela eGarli neMiddelburg ngapha ngeMalahleni ngakwaNdebele yonke lihle khulu kwamambala nanivakatshela lesi sifunda kwaZulu-Natal kanti ke khona ngapha ngeRichards Bay ngapha ngeMgungundlovu ngapha ngeThekwini ngeLady Smith ngapho lijama ku-30 likhamba lithi parapara ngamafu liyawathela ngemzimu mkhulu ngapho eXhobo eMpumalanga Kapa siyabona ukuthi imali itswaye emthatha ngapha ekumane ngapha eCraddock ngapho eCongce khona ngapha ngemakhanda siyabona ukuthi linokho ke likhamba lithi parapara ngamafu na uvakatshela lesi sifunda isifunda sakhona ngapha ngeWestern Cape uyabona ukuthi nokho kubo Fort West ngapha eGeorge Riversdale nakhona ngapha ngeWorcester jama ku-23 na uvakatshela lesi sifunda siliqale khona ngapha ngeTlhagwini Kapa ehlakuni ngapha Appington uKurumane Kimberley eKhanavone Calvin 23 novakatshela ngapho lihle khulu kwamambala nani ngapha Springbok lizabe lihle Free State uyabona ukuthi liyawathela eBothaville Kroonstad eVelkom ngapha nakhona ngapha kubo Frankfurt ngapha eBethlehem Fixburg lihle khulu kwamambala nani ngapho asiliqale khona ngapha ngeTlhagwini Jingalanga lapha eMahikeng eRustenburg eOttersdal nalapha ngeVryburg lizakujama ku-30 novakatshela lesi sifunda umndungwa ubungela kokosi uthi zesiNdebele